Yeah, in this video we're going to look at another exercise in a no-trump contract, exercise 4. South opens de bidding, 1-0 trump, 15 points, and balance hand, so he opens de bidding, 1-0 trump. Now North with 3-0 trump, I would say at least 10 points. Maybe a little bit of a balanced hand, no 4 card in a major normally, or a 5 card in a major. And South passes, the end contract is 3-0 trump, South needs to make 9 tricks. Now the lead is the Queen of Spades. Now as ever in a no trump contract, we're going to look at, we count the fixed tricks first. Now you can see now we have 2 fixed tricks in spades, ace king. We have ace king and hearts, 2 tricks. We have 2 tricks in diamonds, ace king, and 2 in clubs, ace king. So we should make 8 tricks. Now what is our working suit? But how can we develop an extra suit? But we still need to make 1 extra trick. Not in spades, not in hearts. Diamonds is looking better. I think we can develop 1 extra trick in diamonds, and maybe in club, if they split 3-3. Now let's see what happens. The lead is the Queen of Spades, and we duck the first spade. As ever, we use the rule of 7. We use the rule of 7. 7 minus the number of cards in a suit. Now we have 6 cards in spades. 7 minus 6 is 1. So we duck once. It's not always necessary. In this case, maybe we can say we just play the ace and the king of spades, but I think it's probably better to duck the spade. Now he continues West with the jack of spades. Now we win the trick with the ace of spades. And then we play the diamonds as soon as we possible can. This is our working suit. We play the 3 of diamonds to the king of diamonds. Maybe the queen is a singleton. It's not a bad idea to do it. We can do the finesse from north to south, or from south to north. We try to catch the queen. But in this case it's always better to play the king first, or the ace. Maybe the queen is a singleton. Want we still have the jack, the 10 and the 9 left. Now then we play the jack from north, and east plays the 5, and we duck in south. We play the 7. Now east doesn't play the queen, west doesn't play the queen. We win the trick with the jack of diamonds. I would assume that east has the queen of diamonds. But I just continue with the diamond, and indeed east plays the queen of diamonds, and now we can play the ace of diamonds. And we win the trick with the ace of diamonds. And we continue now with the 9 of diamonds, which is a master. We throw away a heart. And as you can see now, we can make 2 in spades, 2 tricks in spades, 2 in hearts, 4 in diamonds, and 2 in clubs. So we can make 10 tricks. But is there a way, can we make maybe another trick? Like we said before, if you can make another trick without danger of losing the contract, you should do it. There is 1 chance of making an extra trick. That is in clubs. If the club split 3-3, we can make an extra trick. We play the club, but we lose the first trick in clubs. Want if you have to lose a trick, it's better to lose the first trick. So we lose the trick in clubs and see what happens. East might play the spade, but he doesn't have spades anymore, I assume. We play the jack of hearts, and we win a trick with the king of hearts. And now we continue with the ace of clubs and the king of clubs. If the club split 3-3, we make an extra trick. Now North plays the ace of clubs. They both follow. North plays the king of clubs, and they both, no, they don't follow. They don't follow, by the way. But West discarded the club before. Maybe you will recognize that West discarded the club before when we played the diamond, which means that the 4 of clubs is a master. So we win a trick with the 4 of clubs. So we make an extra trick in club. And then we play the ace of hearts and the king of spades and make 11 tricks. So that's, if you look at the total hand, You can see now that the club split 3-3, so we make an extra trick in club. If you think I can make an extra trick in an other suit besides the working suit, without danger of losing the contract, you should give it a try. In this case there was no danger of losing the contract. So we make 3 tricks in clubs, 4 in diamonds, 2 in spades and 2 in hearts. So we did well to make 11 tricks. So that was the end of the video. We discussed the board in a no trump contract, exercise number 4. In the next video we're going to look at another exercise in a no trump contract, exercise 5.